Hi, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. My name is Goodluck. After this video, you'll be able to solve any equation in exponential form that will lead to simultaneous linear equation. Let's dive into it. Now, to be able to solve this equation, let's express every term in the power of their base. So we have that this will be equal to 3 raised to the power of x divided by 2 raised to the power of 2x times 2 raised to the power of y divided by 3 raised to the power of y equal to 2 raised to the power of 5 divided by 3 raised to the power of 3. Now we have been able to express our equation in the power of their base. The next thing we do is to cross multiply. So we have that this will be 3 raised to the power of x times 2 raised to the power of y times 3 raised to the power of 3 equal to 2 raised to the power of 2x times 3 raised to the power of y times 2 raised to the power of 5. We can further simplify the equation as 3 raised to the power of x plus 3 times 2 raised to the power of y equal to 2 raised to the power of 2x plus 5 times 3 raised to the power of y. The next thing we do here is to equate terms with similar base. We have that this becomes 2 raised to the power of y equal to 2 raised to the power of 2x plus 5, and we have 3 raised to the power of x plus 3 equal to 3 raised to the power of y. Let's call here equation 1 and let's call here equation 2. So if we observe, equation 1 now have similar base and equation 2 also have similar base. Now since their bases are equal, their powers or index should be equal. Hence our equations will reduce to y equal to 2x plus 5 and x plus 3 equal to y. At this point, we have now reduced our exponential equation to a linear equation. Now let's group terms and collect similar terms. So we have that this will be 2x minus y equal to negative 5 and x minus y equal to negative 3. Let me call here equation 3 and call here equation 4. Now we can now solve equation 3 and equation 4 simultaneously. So if I subtract equation 3 and 4, I will eliminate the variable y. So our equation will reduce to 2x minus x minus y minus y equal to minus 5 minus 3. If we simplify, we have x minus y plus y is going to give us 0 equal to minus 5 plus 3 is going to give us minus 2. So therefore x is equal to minus 2. I will substitute the value of x into equation 4 to obtain the value of y. So substitute s equal to minus 2 into equation 4. We obtain that this will be minus 2 minus y equal to minus 3. So therefore I will have that minus y is equal to minus 3 plus 2. So minus y is equal to minus 1. So therefore y is equal to 1. Now it's obvious that we obtain our value of x and y to be x equal to negative 2 and y equal to 1. This is our answers. Congratulations. You have been able to simplify the exponential equation and you have been able to arrive at an answer that gives you s equal to negative 2 and y equal to 1. If you know you found value in this video, please do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Drop a comment if you have any question and please share the video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.